Okay, so I finally have my Transformers 40th anniversary trading card set in from Kickstarter. That took a really long time, but it's finally here. And here we are. So I went for the one full set in a binder, and these were like the bonus cards. They say it's vintage cards, but it's just like that, and they printed it on some lousy card. But okay, fine. Kickstarter exclusive. And here is the binder from the Kickstarter. It's really big, but the quality, print quality on this is nice. It's got a nice laminate on it. The Decepticons attack, and the Autobots. The side looks like this. Bit upset that they didn't include sleeves with this. It would have been nice if you had like official sleeves, like some of the other card sets. They would come with sleeves with some branding of what set it was, so it would have been nice to have sleeves with like the Autobots logo on it or the Decepticons logo on it. Yeah, it's a missed opportunity, that one. But I guess before that, let's just see what these look like. Okay, one. What is it? Exclusive rare vintage card stock, blah blah blah. Crowdfunded stretch goal. Okay. The stretch goal was pretty high. I was expecting a lot more. I mean, they're going for vintage look, so okay, fine. Yeah, characters. Who are you? I don't know you. Mirage? Really? I recognize Mirage. I know you, Soundwave. This is Jazz. Forgot you, Razor Buzzsaw. Yeah, sorry. Pop. Well, yeah, I guess these can consider as another subset. Something for you to collect to create a full master set. Okay. Let's get cracking. Okay, so here is the outcome. We have one full set, 3/4 of a set, and a bunch of singles, and we have 24 holofoil cards, and we ended up getting 2 more chase cards, but man, these chase cards are a waste of time. Look at that, wasting time. It looks like the normal cards, but it is a chase card. Who cares for this one? At least these, I mean, even though it's printed sketch cards, but at least they look different from the rest. So fine, that's a chase card. This is the box hit. Every box gets one of these. So this is a nice one, a nice metal card. 1 of 4. So there's 4 of these for the set, which is nice. Actually wouldn't mind collecting this. This actually looks nice. Look at this Megatron. It's got this right there trigger. It's like, okay, pew pew. There's Megatron shoot blanks. But yeah, funny. I wonder if that was a real toy back in the day. Did it come out like that? But yeah, overall the set, I guess it's fine looking for the most part. But then when you get down to like this section, like this looks stupid. Like, I mean, it's part of the base set, so whatever. But at least the print is good. So it's a good print. You know, it feels nice. But I mean, the card designs, I thought they would have a nicer design on it rather than just plain characters with a just background. I was expecting a bit more, but I guess it was a so-so set. So-so. Nothing special. But one thing that just really annoys me about this set is the puzzle cards. Like, look at them. They put all the labeling and branding, like, it just ruins the whole look of the puzzle card. It's interfering, it's distracting. Like, you can't see the picture. It's actually a very nice picture that they put together, but it's just so distracting. It's like, who does that? It's like no one has done puzzle cards like this. You know, it's always just a one solid picture, and at the back you'll have all your branding, but the picture is just there for you to see. So this was just so annoying. Whoever done the QC for this probably needs like a demotion or something. I don't know, but it's just dumb. Makes me want to just give away the cards. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the box break. Thanks again for watching. See you.